Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy covered calls on Robinhood. First, understand that a covered call means you are selling a call option for shares you already own. This strategy allows you to earn income, called a premium, from your stock. To execute one covered call contract, you must own at least 100 shares of the underlying stock. It's a way to potentially profit from your existing investments. Before you begin, make sure your Robinhood account is approved for options trading, typically at level 2 or higher. Once approved, open the Robinhood app and find the specific stock you want to use for your covered call. On the stock's detail page, locate and tap the Trade button. From the options presented, select Trade Options to see available contracts. Now, you need to choose the right call option. You will select an expiration date and a strike price. Remember, a higher strike price means your stock has more room to grow before being called away, but you will receive a smaller premium. Carefully weigh the income you get from the premium versus the possibility of your shares being sold at the strike price. Finally, it's time to place your order. Double-check all the details, including the premium you will receive and the specific contract terms. Crucially, ensure you own 100 shares of the underlying stock for every single call option contract you plan to sell. This ensures your call is truly covered. Once everything looks correct, you can submit your order. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.